Welcome to Elegance Princess. Tana Rain, born Montana Wyman on June 15, 1998, in Orlando, Florida, is a model and social media influencer. She gained fame by posting bold photos on Instagram and TikTok, showcasing fashion and lifestyle content. Tana's following grew rapidly, launching her modeling career. Tana is known for sharing lip-sync videos, dancing, and modeling shots on TikTok, alongside her more provocative content on OnlyFans. She began her career in 2013 and has worked with several brands, which contributed to her net worth, estimated between $100,000 to $1 million. Though active on social media, Tana keeps her personal life private, sharing little about her family or relationships. She is passionate about travel and animals, frequently posting about her adventures and her beloved pet dog on her platforms. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment and stay tuned for more.